Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a spaziale dream espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was actually overfilling. So we end up replacing the two-way solenoid, the one that you see right here. After replacing the two-way solenoid, the machine was heating up perfectly fine. But unfortunately we were not able to, this steam one was basically just clogged. We were not able to get water coming out from here. When we went inside the machine and disassembled it, we found that the two-way solenoid is just completely clogged with scale. You see that white stuff over there? That's just scale buildup around it, and there was so much going through the hose all the way to the steam boiler. So we did a tune-up on this machine as well, replacing the gasket of the machine, all the shower heads that you see right here, all completely full of coffee. And just to give you a comparison, this is how it should look like. So and yeah, we descaled the machine, run some descaler through the whole both boilers, the steam boiler as well as the brew boiler. And yeah, so starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out, then we're gonna test the hot water and then the steam. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine. And as you can see, it's a little bit coming a little bit fast, but we still should be able to see some crema coming out of the shot. Alright, 2 ounces of water, which is right here. And I'm making a mess. And just to show you the group head coming out, water flow coming out of the group head perfectly fine. The steam working extremely well, having excellent pressure, and the hot water working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the spaziale dream working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.